In this video, I will show you how to download and install TikTok on your Android TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to get TikTok running on any Android smart TV you have or Android TV stick or box. And first things first, you want to make sure that your Android TV is actually connected to the internet. So if you scroll over to the top of my Android TV, you can literally see that the TV is actually connected to my mobile phone hotspot, which is actually Redmi 12. So go ahead and make sure that your Android TV is actually connected to your mobile phone hotspot or just any Wi-Fi network. And once that is done, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store of your Android TV. So go ahead and open up the Google Play Store from over here. And once the Google Play Store opens, you want to scroll over to the top search bar over here, come over to this input field, and then you want to go ahead and search for the app known as Downloader. Downloader is a very popular app and we are going to be using it to sideload the TikTok app into our Android TV. And before I finish typing, you can literally see the Downloader app by AFTV News. So make sure you download and install this Downloader app by AFTV News into your Android Smart TV. Over here, you can literally see mine is already installed. And once that is done, you can go ahead and open up the app directly from here. Now, on the Downloader app, you want to scroll over to the browser tab at the top left corner of the app. So come over to this browser tab, click on it, and then come over to this input field at the top. Now go ahead and use the virtual keyboard over here to search for Aptoide TV. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the enter button over here, then click on go at the top. Now this Aptoide TV app is an independent app store and we're going to be using it to get the TikTok app into our Android TV. So you just want to scroll down and click on this website over here, tv.aptoide.com. And from here, you want to scroll down again until you get to the download Aptoide TV button over here. Click on it and automatically the Aptoide TV app APK will start downloading into your Android TV. So you want to go ahead and give it a minute or two. Once it is done downloading, it will automatically install itself. Now you just want to click on the install button at the bottom over here. If you're using the Downloader app for the first time, before you get to this page, you're going to see a pop-up asking you to give Downloader permission to install apps from unknown sources into your Android TV. Just go ahead and turn on that permission for the Downloader app, and this time you should be able to install the app without any restriction. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and open up the Aptoide TV app. Click on allow. Now you want to head over to this top search bar on the Aptoide TV app we just installed. So you want to just scroll over to the top, and then from this search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for TikTok. So you're going to type TikTok over here, and here you're going to see the TikTok for Android TV. Now you just want to scroll down and select the TikTok for Android TV app, and then click on the install button over here. And once it is done downloading, it will automatically start installing itself again. You're also going to get this prompt to give the Aptoide TV app permission to install apps from unknown sources into your Android TV. What you just want to do is to scroll down, click on settings over here, and then go ahead and turn on this permission for the Aptoide TV app. Basically, you're getting this permission because you're using it for the first time. Now you actually have to go ahead and start the installation process again. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on the install button at the bottom over here. And now we have the TikTok app on our Android TV. What you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the open button over here to open it directly from here. You can go ahead and log into your TikTok account by clicking on the login button. Or if you just want to be able to watch TikTok without logging into your account, you can just go ahead and click on watch now. And just like so, we now have the TikTok app running smoothly on our Android TV. Now you can go ahead and continue to control the TikTok app using your remote control. So if you keep on scrolling down, you can just change the video you're watching, and to select any of the options from over here, you want to scroll over to the right and select the like or whatever option you want. And that is basically how to install TikTok on your Android TV or Android TV stick or box. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.